Hi everyone, today make the video gaucho knot. It will be made of 8strand leatherlace, 9 lace, 45 real blade keeper. The surface has a sense of dip and cubic effect. Gaucho knot is a very attractive knot with a deep end because of I like gaucho knot. Let's get started. First, right ready, turn left back, 1 to 2 over 2. Next, left ready, turn right then back, over 1, 1 to 2, over 1. Slowly pull. Next, right black, turn left and back, over 2, under 2. And left black, turn right and back, under 1, over 2, under 1. Slowly pull, slowly pull. Like the first time. Right ready, under 2, over 2. Next, left ready, over 1, under 2, over 1. And next, right black, turn left and back, over 2, under 2. And left black, turn right then back, under 1, over 2, under 1. Just like that, this gaucho knot pattern. Slowly pull. Next, like the first time, keep work. Right to ready, under 2, over 2. Next, left ready, over 1, under 2, over 1. Just like that. Yes, slowly pull, slowly pull. Next, right black, over 2, under 2. Slowly pull. Next, left black, under 1, over 2, under 1. Just like that. And right ready, under 2, over 2. And next, left ready, over 1, under 2, over 1. Just like that, okay. Next, right black, turn left and back, over 2, under 2. And left black, under 1, over 2. Keep work, keep this level dead. This knot is a 8strand leatherlace gaucho knot. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good time.